The last one is the hair food. This hair food is made from a plant from the forest of Honduras. You may have heard of the Mosquito Coast. In the Mosquito Coast lives a tribe of people known as the Waika people. I would go visit them once in a while because they do have all kind of things, knowledge with herbs. They have a lot. In fact, no one dies there by a snake bite. Not even dogs. The most poisonous snake, no way. There's this herb. It's a flower from a plant that grows like a palm. They call it batana. La flor de batana, the flower of batana. This will make your hair grow, and it will give it luster. It is just the best, magnificent. It is good. That's another product.